Oh, the way you keep distracting me with your body. I can know I gotta clock out, 'cause I can't stop thinking about your body. Te deseo